This video will show you how to replace the back glass lift support on a Toyota Matrix. This will be located on your rear lift gate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. A quick note about doing this: once you do remove one of them, you're only going to have one holding this up and it could potentially fall down. Be extremely careful as we continue on. Now the process for one of these is going to be the exact same as the other side of the vehicle. Use a small pocket screwdriver. We're going to start at the window glass first. In this area, you can see that you do have a metal locking tab. I want to make my way in between this area, gently pry that away. I'm holding the glass and I'm pulling this away from the glass itself. As you can tell, it did dislodge as it should. We're holding the glass up safely and we'll continue on down at the body of the vehicle next. Now down in this area, same process. We're being extremely careful. We're removing that locking clip. We should be able to pull it out just far enough that we can slide that out of place. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting surfaces. We'll start up along the glass area, making our way down here. Same process, just go ahead and give it a quick wipe. We want to make sure nothing's rotted, weak, or damaged. Now it's time to install that brand new rear glass lift support. Let's start towards the body of the vehicle, the lower portion here. Just line it up and press it in. We'll give that a light tug. It should not slide out of place. Continue up to the window glass next. For this, you should be able to pivot that as necessary. We're going to align it and press it in just the same as we did before. An audible click, a light tug. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the process for one is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed that, just go ahead and close the liftgate glass. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.